Koble originates from the Wefox Group, the well-established and innovative insurtech player and former Diamond Award winner. Koble is an API-first platform that enables insurers and MGAs to digitize any insurance product and share each product with an unlimited number of distributors. At the same time, distributors gain immediate access to best-in-class APIs, allowing insurance to leapfrog current technical limitations. Today, they will show and tell how they help insurers create and publish their insurance products in real time, and next to that, manage their pricing and profit rate, reducing the workload on IT while increasing agility and speed to market. Next on DIA Primetime, Koble. Hi Anna, welcome. Would you briefly introduce yourselves?
Hello, my name is Anna Vogel and I am the Chief Platform Officer at Wefox Group as well as the Managing Director of Koble, our open API platform solution. Presenting with me today is Koen, our Director API Integrations at Koble, and he will guide us through our demo in just a few minutes.
Thanks Anna. We all know Wefox, of course. It's one of the few European insurtech unicorns. Now, this show and tell is about Koble, a new and innovative initiative of Wefox around Open API. Can you explain what this is about?
Sure, let me start by explaining why we built Koble. APIs for managing digital distribution are nothing new. What is new though is that Koble provides distribution via API in a one-to-many way. Let me explain. APIs connect software through a structured language, and this is great, but it hasn't made life easier for IT departments. APIs are never-ending software projects, really, that require development, documentation, love, and care, and they connect to other APIs that are also changing all the time. In the insurance world, APIs are often one of IT projects designed for the specific channel, and this means gathering requirements, securing resources, kickoffs, build, test. Then 2, 3, maybe 4 months later, you have a connection and then you rinse and repeat for the next channel. And this is why we built Koble, because APIs are awesome, but APIs are also messy.
Yes, we hear that more often. So what are the exact problems that Koble solves? What are the benefits that Koble offers to insurers?
Let us show you in our demo. We're going to show you how an insurer publishes an insurance product once on the Koble platform and how then manages multiple distribution channels for the carrier. As part of our demo, you will also see how analytics, our product publisher, and distribution manager, as well as our top-notch API documentation, will decrease time to market, reduce need for scarce IT resources, increase sales, and generally simplify your API life.
Sounds very comprehensive. I would love to see that in action.
Oh, of course, let's get started. The hero of our demo story is Paul. Paul is a product manager for motor products at our very own Wefox Group insurance carrier, One Insurance. Imagine it's Monday morning and Paul receives an email from the CMO. It's first thing in the morning and the COO and CEO are also on CC. So who doesn't love Mondays like this, right? What happened? A major motor distributor in Germany, Top Deals, has launched a huge campaign over the weekend targeting the switching season. The CMO caught it on social media. And Paul knows from experience that site traffic will be through the roof, and this is an opportunity to drive sales. Paul grabs a second cup of coffee, sits down, stays calm, and logs into Koble to review the numbers. So Koen, are you ready to step into Paul's shoes and show how Koble can help?
Absolutely. Paul analyzes how Top Deals compares to all the other distribution channels. When he looks into the data, he sees that the traffic of Top Deals is up, but the conversion rate is down. That means that one is losing out on major sales coming via Top Deals. Paul investigates further into the analytics about Top Deals to see what can be done. Time is of the essence. Paul has looked through the analytics and sees that the only way to increase the conversion rate for Top Deals is to lower the profit rate. However, for that, he needs approval from the management team. He quickly writes the email and already prepares to lower the profit rate for one coming from 20% back to 16%.
You're right, time is of essence, and this went pretty fast. Well, of course, most people, even within an insurance company, would need support from IT to do something like this.
Not if they use Koble though. Let us demonstrate how Paul is changing the pricing without interrupting his distributors, with no help of his IT department, and without writing any line of code.
Okay, I'm curious.
Paul goes over to the Koble product portfolio. The products portfolio is showing Paul an overview of all of the products that one is offering to its different distribution channels. The products can be either live, with distribution channels, pending, or archived. Each of the products are categorized by line of business, such as mobility, liability, or household. And each product can have one or multiple versions, giving out versions to one or multiple distribution partners. In this particular case, Top Deals has a special version for the motor product. So Paul zooms in to that particular version to make the change. Paul sees that the current product version for Top Deals for this motor product is actually also in use by other distributors. Thanks to Koble, Paul is able to quickly make a new product version. He selects the existing product version and duplicates it, therefore not interrupting any of the existing distribution channels. Let's call it product version number 2. Make a couple of quick edits and Paul can already publish this new product version. This means that Paul, as a business user, can make changes to his insurance products that he sells digitally without needing any IT support. To adjust the profit rate, Paul moves over to the Quotes tab on the product version to adjust its pricing. Thanks to Koble Actions, Paul has the ability to quickly change the API towards his custom business logic. Paul clicks on Advanced Settings and there he sees the profit rate, which he wants to adjust. Paul adjusts the pricing rate to 16%, as agreed with his management team. He only needs to do a couple of clicks and again needs no help from his IT department. Paul saves and publishes version 2. He can then go over to the distribution manager on Koble. Currently, Top Deal still uses version 1 of the motor product. Paul marks version number 2 and assigns it to Top Deals. Top Deals gets a notification by email informing them about the change, but Paul cannot wait till they read that email and actually take the new version 2 in effect. So what does Paul do? He selects that the version 2 is the default version for Top Deals for this particular product. Now Top Deals is using the new profit rate without having to change anything. As a very last step, Paul looks at the API documentation, which is the information that is given out to distributors how to send a quote. The change Paul made going from version 1 to version 2 is now available for different distributors, and Paul wants to make sure that this documentation is received by his distributors. Paul looks at the automatically generated documentation from Koble and sees that it references version number 2. Paul knows he has done all of his tasks, everything is done, and he can go on with the other tasks he had scheduled for today.
Indeed, your open API platform is really addressing the full cycle. If I would ask you to summarize the benefits of Koble's solution.
Koble, in summary, provides a suite of insurance APIs that lets you manage digital distribution in a scalable one-to-many way on a single platform. We give the ability to make changes quickly, reflected in multiple channels without talking to the distributor or service disruption, and Koble guarantees superior immediate control over those products in those channels, and for distributors, access to up-to-date and best-in-class API documentation.
Thanks, Anna, for showing us how Koble enables fuss-free digital insurance distribution via API. Probably people would like to reach out to you to learn more.
Oh, of course. More than happy to. Feel free to send me an email at anna.vogel@koble.io and I promise I will get back to you. Thank you so much for having us and please enjoy the rest of DIA Prime Time.